Buying the NVIDIA RTX 5080. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080, launched on January 30th, 2025, is a high-performance graphics card built on the Blackwell architecture, featuring 16 gigabytes of GDDR7 memory and AI-powered DLSS 4 technology. Availability and pricing. The RTX 5080 is priced at $999.99 in the US. Due to high demand, initial stock sold out quickly, leading to limited availability. Restocks occur periodically, but units often sell out rapidly upon release. Where to purchase? The RTX 5080 is available from major retailers such as Best Buy, Newegg, and B&H Photo. Best Buy offers the Founders Edition, while Newegg and B&H Photo stock both Founders Edition and third-party models from manufacturers like Asus, MSI, and Gigabyte. Stock availability challenges. High demand has caused limited stock across most retailers. Regular restocks happen, but they sell out quickly due to the card's popularity and performance capabilities. Prepare for purchase. Create accounts on retailer websites, save your payment information, and set up stock notifications to increase your chances of securing a unit during restocks. Online marketplaces. Caution. While online marketplaces may have listings, prices are often inflated by resellers. Ensure the seller is reputable and verify the product's authenticity before purchasing. Check for restock updates. Monitor retailer websites and set up email or SMS alerts to stay informed about restocks. Social media and tech forums can also provide real-time stock updates. Consider pre-orders. Some retailers offer pre-orders for upcoming restocks, which can guarantee you a unit when stock is replenished, though availability varies. Beware of scams and overpricing. Avoid suspiciously low prices or unverified sellers. Stick to reputable retailers to ensure you receive a genuine product with warranty support. Buying an RTX 5080 requires patience and preparation due to high demand and limited stock. By staying updated on restocks, preparing accounts in advance, and purchasing from trusted retailers, you can increase your chances of securing this high-end graphics card.